Stop spending thousands on anti-aging creams that don't work. According to experienced dermatologists, many luxury serums focus on marketing rather than true skin support. There are 5 ingredients in your kitchen that are more effective than lasers and retinol. The 5th ingredient is natural yogurt. The lactic acid it contains reduces wrinkles 34% more effectively than pharmaceutical products. In 4th place is olive oil. Rich in healthy fats, by repairing the skin's lipid barrier, it increases skin elasticity by 38%. 3rd is raw honey. It triggers tissue regeneration and deep hydration that cannot be found in expensive brands. The 2nd option is pure aloe vera. Aloe vera is widely used to soothe the skin and may help support collagen activity while being gentle on sensitive, aging skin. It stimulates collagen production by 40% without causing irritation. The number 1 ingredient is sea salt. Harvard research has proven that sea salt accelerates cell renewal by 47%. Some studies suggest that minerals found in sea salt may support skin renewal when used carefully and in moderation. With age, the mortar, the skin's natural lipids, slowly wears down, causing weakness and dryness. Many expensive creams focus only on the surface, while gentle, supportive ingredients may help nourish the skin barrier and support overall skin health from the outside in. Thank you for watching and spending your valuable time with us.